Hello everyone. Today our message is getting it done. Getting it done. If you are getting ready to do anything, anytime, anywhere, the whole idea is let's get it done. Did I say let's get it done perfectly? No, I did not. Did I say let's get it done poorly? No, I did not. The thing that I want you to remember is that when you get it done, I want you to do your best. I want you to set a timer. I want you to have an end time, and I want you to get it done. So let's say that you are decluttering in your zone, and you've set your timer for 15 minutes. Don't sit there reading the old cards and birthday wishes that you've gotten when you're going through your paper, or looking at books that you've gotten, or looking at your children's toys and remembering when. Stop that. We've got to get it done. So let's get it done. So to get it done, you have to stop using your heart. You have to use your head. So your heart's very sentimental. Your heart wants you to keep things that you know good and well in your head you don't need to keep. Let your head rule the day on this. Let your head rule the day, because you were given a brain to serve you. Your heart, yes, your heart is very important, and it's a great place to have your love for everyone and everything. But your head, this is where things are, make sense. This is where things are organized as best you can. I know some of us are, and most of us are ADD, and it's not very organized, which is why we have a planner. But in this case, our head can process this. And so you're gonna let your brain process through your stuff for 15 minutes, not a long time. Set your timer and get going. And don't stop until the timer goes off. And when the timer goes off, then you can stop going and you can complete the process, which is to put away the garbage in the garbage can, to put away things that need to be put on in different places in your home away, and to take anything that's a giveaway and put it in the trunk of your car. So that's going to take a few more minutes, and you have to get that done too. You can't just say, well, I'll do that tomorrow. I'm tired now. I've been doing this for 15 minutes. Nope, you have to finish it and get it done. Okay, so once you get it done, you are done. You don't have to think about it again. So if you walk past it and you see it, you can say, I see you, I have a plan for you, and release it and go on with the rest of your day. Okay, so today I want you to think about getting it done. Let's say you were curling your hair. Let's just say that. I have to curl my hair. After I wash it, it looks like Medusa, right? So I have to curl it. I use a curling iron, and it takes steps, and I have to do one step after the next step, after the next step. I have to prep my hair. I have to fix it afterwards. You wouldn't know it, but I do. So it takes steps, and I have to get it done. If I don't get it done, my hair won't be finished. So it's important to me to get it done. So it's important for me to get this information to you so you can get it done, whatever it is. Okay, yeah, I could get distracted. I take care of my mother. She's elderly and invalid, and I may have to go take care of her in the middle of that with my hair half Medusa, half curl. But I'll go back and finish it. I don't stop. I don't say, well, I'm done for the day. That's just the way it's going to look. No, I go finish it. And that's a hair example, but I'm talking mainly for you about a home example, getting it done in your home. So get it done, finish it. Yeah, you might get distracted. Your baby might spill milk all over the bathroom floor. You know, just weird things that happen in life. The dog may throw up. Your husband may call and say, it's an emergency. I need you to do XYZ for me. And you have to stop. Stop your timer. I've got 8 minutes left. When you go back, start it for 8 minutes. Finish what you were doing. It may be an hour later. Finish what you were doing. Get it done. The other thing is that people put off even starting it. So if it's the morning and you need to do something and you'd rather sit and drink your coffee and you don't want to do that, then guess what? It's going to straggle out and straggle out and straggle out until it's the end of the day and you haven't done anything, or you haven't done that thing that you didn't want to do really. Because here's the deal. Here's the thing. We don't want to do a lot of the things we do. Our little inner child says, no way, I don't want to do that. But we're not a child. We're an adult. And if you let the inner child run your home, it's going to look like a child runs your home. So get it together, get it done, feel better about yourself. And while you're doing it, always remember that you are beautiful.